In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to link your Tradovate to Fundednext Futures account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to open up fundednext.com. I'll put a link to that down in the description, and Tradovate. I'll also put a link to that down in the description for you to check out. From here, it should look something like this. And from here, you'll need to go up to the menu up here and click Futures. And as you can see, it's a new feature that Fundednext offers, but just click on it, and then it should be going directly into the Futures tab down here. But if it doesn't, don't worry, it'll still work out. From here, you'll need to go up to your login page, and from here, you'll need to click Don't Have an Account, Register. Once you click on that, you'll need to enter in your first name, your last name, your gender, date of birth, country, city, email address, phone number, password, and confirm your password. You also need to agree that you are processing the personal data, and you acknowledge that your name is correct for the government issue identification for later on when you need to do your KYC, and you agree to receive news and updates. From here, you'll simply need to click register, and then from there, you'll need to go into the dashboard. From here, it should look something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go over to the accounts tab and then go over to futures over here. From here, you'll see the general accounts. That is all of your specific account that you have previously purchased. But to start a new account, you'll simply need to go up to Start Challenge, and then this page should be popping up. Now from here, you'll need to change the CFDs to futures over here, and here you can choose between a rapid challenge or a legacy challenge. From here, you'll also be able to change the account size from 25k, 50k, or 100k, and you can read a lot about what type of challenge these are by reading these positions down here. From here, you'll just need to get plan, and then from here you'll need to choose Tradovate plus NinjaTrader and click I agree to the terms and service and challenge terms and click get started. From here you'll need to select the payment method, either international cards, Apple Pay, PayPal, Skrill, Google Pay, or crypto, and just buy the challenge. Once you have bought the challenge, it should look something like this again. From here you'll see under active or inactive your new account or challenge, and from here you'll simply need to click on the specific account and click dashboard. This will both work with CFDs and futures. From here, you'll see this page right here. And over here in account details, you'll need to copy the login page and the master pass and the server down here. Once you do that, you'll need to go over to Tradovate and click login. And then from here, you'll need to enter in your username, which will be the login, and the password, which will be for your own specific account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!